What is good, YouTube, and to my sneaker world family? It is your guy again, Udell 12, aka Bubba, back with another one. And guys, today we will be looking at the Wale Asics Gel Lyte 3. These are the Villa exclusives, and these are the Intercontinental champions. This is the Wale Asics collab and Villa exclusive. And before we get started, guys, as always, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button for your boy, and also smash the notification bell also. And guys, and those who've been rocking with me, also thank you so much. Let's continue to get those subscribers to 1,000. That is the goal, guys. We are a small channel. Let's continue to get there, and that's one of my goals here. So guys, just thank you for all the love and support. And also, subscribe to the channel. Man, also, guys, go out, support the other YouTubers out there, man. We got a lot of them that, you know, we try to work with each other, man. We talk to each other, but get out there, subscribe to these guys' the channel, man. Like the pictures, comment, man. Leave your comments. And also do the same on my channel. So, let's get into this. Guys, I have here, this is the Asics Gel Lyte 3. This is the Wale exclusive, the Intercontinental champion. As always, man, I like to, let me also give the shout out to Big Bro. This is TD501. That's my big brother. And this is his pair here. Always, and I have a playlist below where I like to show a lot of his shoes, man. So, you will look down in the playlist, check it out, TD501 collection. Got a lot of bangers, a lot of heat in there, man. So go and support, go check that out, man. Support the channel also. And on his IG, you can reach him at TD501. Go check out his pictures, show some love on there. But these here, man, let me tell you something. These are, man, these are mad fire. Guys, let me tell you something. Wale, let's shout out to Wale, man, because Wale doesn't get enough credit in the sneaker world. You know, you hear about the Khaled's. You know, first I don't hear DJ Clark Kent name a lot. Who, man, come on, man. Mayor, these guys, these are the, come on, man, these the top of the top. So, but I hear guys' names, man. I'm hearing these guys on, a lot of guys on YouTube. I'm like, dude, I don't hear Jumpman Bostic. These guys have heat. And I can go on and on. I'm not going to get into all that, but Wale is one that he don't get enough credit. Why he hadn't got a Nike contract or hadn't signed, I don't know. Because dude he loves sneakers, bro. He's a perfect fit, you know. And Nike, with you guys losing Drake, man, yeah, y'all definitely need to go try to find Wale. But these Asics here, man, this is a dope ass shoe, man. Like, the whole inspiration, I'll let you guys get a 360 of it. The whole inspiration comes from Wale, his love for wrestling, and the whole shoe it's got the whole look of a championship belt. So that's where the inspiration comes from, man. So he loves wrestling, and this is just a perfect silhouette to go with it for, you know. But the colorway, got your teal in the inside, and this was a cop my brother got from StockX also. There's your tag there, and there's your belt there. That's your insole. Comes with 2 different sets of laces. We actually got 3 because you got your black, but you got 2 blue laces with the specs. This is your outsole there. There's your back. But yeah, man, these retail July 21st, 2016 at $160. And I just want to let you guys get a good look at it. And this is Udell 12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files Lego